all my dreams, the saddest thing I've ever seen.
Blessing.